Hi bass head. Today we'll show you how to easily remove and put back JBL Xtreme 2 speaker grill cover shell. As an added bonus, this video will include a JBL Xtreme bass and sound excursion test. To remove the JBL Xtreme 2 speaker grill, you need to get a flathead screwdriver from your grandpa, or you can use a knife. But then be very careful to keep all your fingers in place. The speaker cover shell is held on by pins on both sides. You have to unhook them carefully, but try not to break anything, as they're made of plastic. Start from the edge, and once you have unhooked one section, move on. The process is quite simple, and if you are careful, you won't damage anything. Many people have asked us if after removing this grill, does the JBL speaker becomes non-waterproof? No, you can safely put the speaker in the water and do a bass water test. But without this speaker grill, it is very easy to mechanically damage the tweeters, so be careful. This speaker grill works on a latch. It can be opened and closed. It's really that simple. Now, the promised JBL Xtreme 2 bass excursion test, and after the song, I'll show you how to put this speaker grill back on so that nobody will know you took it off. Disco. This 2-liter Coca-Cola bottle-sized boombox is not bad. But now, I'll show you how to put the speaker grill back on. So Grandma doesn't find out I've taken it off from our aerobic class speaker. To put the speaker cover back on, you have to open it first. You'll have to put the pins back in the right places without breaking them off. Remember that the JBL logo is on the front, speaker side. Start by putting this fabric shell exactly on the buttons. Once you have done that, turn the tube around and start by pushing one edge of the speaker grill back into its old place. Then the other edge, and finally, the middle. If you hear clicks, that's good. It means the fasteners are popping into place. Nothing complicated, and anyone can do it. Done. Grandma won't even know I had a bit of fun with the bass test without the speaker grill. If you have any questions, feel free to write a comment. We'll try to help, and remember, if you're interested, feel free to hit the like and subscribe, because the Tech Crew team continues to have fun with audio tech, and see you in next videos.